Hey everybody, it's Nick Griffith. I'm going to be doing a Turkish candies review for Pop Bios. I think it's going to be like Turkish pop rocks. I don't know. Let me go ahead and get this a little more open. Okay. Okay, let's give this a go ahead and give it a taste here. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's just basically pop rocks. Same thing. This is like a no, I guess it's like a multi-fruit thing. Yeah, if you like pop rocks, you'd like these, but eh, no big deal. It's all right.